Have you noticed something strange about modern life? Even when nothing is wrong, our minds still feel restless, anxious, and overwhelmed. Notifications never stop, messages never stop, information never stops, and slowly, our mind forgets how to be calm. We live in the most connected time in human history, but many people feel more mentally exhausted than ever before. Studies show that constant notifications, social media scrolling, and information overload can increase stress and reduce focus. Our brains were never designed to process hundreds of digital interruptions every day. Instead of thinking deeply, we keep reacting. Instead of being present, we keep refreshing. And over time, this creates something many people experience today: digital anxiety. But here is an important truth. The solution is not to escape the modern world. Technology is not the enemy. The real solution is learning how to stay mentally grounded while living in a digital world. This idea is the foundation of my book, The Anxious World: How to Stay Grounded and Peaceful in an Always-On Digital Age. The book explores simple ways to calm the mind, create healthy boundaries with technology, and rebuild mental clarity. Let me share one simple idea from the book. Create small digital boundaries. For example, try a 10-minute digital reset during your day. Silence your phone. Step away from screens. Focus on just one task. Even a short break can allow your brain to reset and regain clarity. Your attention is one of your most valuable resources. Protect it. Another powerful habit is what I call a digital sunset. 1 hour before sleep, reduce screen exposure. Turn off notifications. Avoid endless scrolling. Give your brain time to slow down. Research shows that reducing nighttime screen use improves sleep quality and reduces anxiety. Better sleep leads to better thinking, better emotions, and better decisions. The world may always be busy, but your mind does not have to be. Calm is not something you find by accident. It is something you practice intentionally. Small habits, clear boundaries, and mindful awareness. These simple practices can transform how you experience the modern world. If you'd like to explore these ideas deeper, you can discover my book, The Anxious World, available on Amazon. And if you're interested in learning more practical ways to reset your mind, this is part of the Mind Reset series. Thank you for watching.